Yeah, so if you've ever had a pool before and it's got the old skimmer boxes in it where the basket, as soon as the pump turns off, floats out, and you're trying to connect your suction cleaner or your manual vacuum, and then as soon as your pump turns off, everything starts floating back out into the pool. Absolute pain in the backside. So the modern skimmer box, so this is the Waterco SP5000. A lot of them are very similar to this in that they've got locking in them now, and it just makes your life so much easier. That said, it does strike fear into the heart of many a pool owner trying to figure out how these things actually work. So we're going to show you. So this is your basket, really simple, just goes straight in, twist it around till it's locked, and then it can't come out. So when the pump turns off, the basket won't float up and all your leaves and everything else come out. Now this is the one that's the most tricky for a lot of people. It's really simple, but it's a little bit tricky if you're not sure what you're looking at. So this is the suction plate for when you're using a suction cleaner or your manual vacuum. So this regulates here the amount of water pressure that's going through the hose, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. And then you've got your locking lug here. Now this is the one that most people miss when you're trying to take it off. So if you're going to manually vacuum your pool or use your suction cleaner, just going to put it in here, turn it until it clicks. So that's your locking thing there. And now it can't come out. You can put your suction cleaner in there, pump turns off, pump turns back on, the hose doesn't float out, everything stays in place. Now to remove it, as simple as pushing this lug in and then just twisting it to the left till you line it up, and then it comes out. As easy as that. Nothing more to it. Hope that helps. If you really like what you see, feel free to subscribe to the channel. If you've got some ideas on some other videos you'd like to see, please let us know. We love hearing your thoughts. More than happy to create the videos. Thanks guys.